Hello everybody and welcome back to Cinnamon English. Today we have our final part of our 10 verb series, numbers 19 to 24. Let's get started. What do you do? I sit. What are you doing? I am sitting. Do you like sitting? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Can you sit? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Do you want to sit? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Will you sit tomorrow? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Did you sit yesterday? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. What will you do tomorrow? I will sit. What did you do yesterday? I sat. Have you ever sat? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Good job. Next one. Sleep. Number 20. What do you do? I sleep. What are you doing? I am sleeping. Do you like sleeping? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Can you sleep? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Do you want to sleep? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Will you sleep tomorrow? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Did you sleep yesterday? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. What will you do tomorrow? I will sleep. What did you do yesterday? I slept. Have you ever slept? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Excellent. Good job. Number 21. Stand. What do you do? I stand. What are you doing? I am standing. Do you like standing? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Can you stand? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Do you want to stand? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Will you stand tomorrow? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Did you stand yesterday? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. What will you do tomorrow? I will stand. What did you do yesterday? I stood. Have you ever stood? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Number 22. Swim. What do you do? I swim. What are you doing? I am swimming. Do you like swimming? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Can you swim? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Do you want to swim? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Will you swim tomorrow? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Did you swim yesterday? Yes, I did. Yes. No, I didn't. What will you do tomorrow? I will swim. What did you do yesterday? I swam. Have you ever swum? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Good job. Walk. Number 23. What do you do? I walk. What are you doing? I am walking. Do you like walking? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Can you walk? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Do you want to walk? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Will you walk tomorrow? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Did you walk yesterday? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. What will you do tomorrow? I will walk. What did you do yesterday? I walked. Have you ever walked? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. And the last one, number 24, write. What do you do? I write. What are you doing? I am writing. Do you like writing? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Can you write? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Do you want to write? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Will you write tomorrow? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Did you write yesterday? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. What will you do tomorrow? I will write. What did you do yesterday? I wrote. Have you ever written? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Excellent. That's it. That's the end. Congratulations. You've come all this way. I really appreciate you following this far if you're still watching this video. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. If you've come this far and you think it might help your friend, please share it. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.